I think with having a good rapport with Dr. Shomer was very important, okay? I was able to come to him for a few years now, and then he's always reacted to when I had problems. So that was number one. And then when I did decide, he decided that the cataracts were going berserk. He recommended cataract surgery, and I said, whatever, because I want my vision to be good. I depend on my vision, so it was real important to me. So it was just an automatic that I was going to have the surgery. So I prepared myself for that. That was good. He covered everything. Dr. Shomer covered everything that was going to happen. So it was real nice to feel free that what you're going to go into, and you understood it. I understood everything that was going to happen. So the day of surgery, okay, I went in, and it was real important. The nurses were really good. The surgical mid-valley was really good. They were all really good with me, and they explained everything that was going to happen step by step, okay? So during the surgery, I wasn't really nervous because I've learned years ago that to prepare yourself was so important, and to be calm, because let the doctors do what they have to do, and it makes it a lot easier. I learned that through the years. So
did you have any pain or discomfort?
I didn't have any pain at all, which was surprising. They did the eye drops, several eye drops prior to that, and then the anesthesiologist, Dr. Lee, came in, and she explained what was going to happen. She gave me something to calm myself, and that was helpful. So I went in, and the surgery was surprising because I was able to kind of see a little bit. I was drowsy, but I could understand what was going on. I went through the whole thing, and it was done really quick. It wasn't a long-term thing. And at the recovery, the same thing. You just have to follow the directions. And I followed everything to T. I didn't have any pain afterwards, which was amazing. I felt kind of groggy and so on, and I just rested the rest of the day.
And how do you feel your vision's doing now?
The vision is amazing. I want to have the other one done now. Before it was cloudy, and I couldn't see a distance. My vision's always been good for distance, but it was getting cloudier. Mm-hmm. And now my distance is I can see the first line on that on the monitor. So that was really amazing.
The 2020 line.
The 2020 line, which was amazing. The other side's a little bit cloudier now. So
right.
Hopefully I can get the other one done too.